Hey y'all, it's me, your girl. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to make some homemade Febreze. Yay! This will save you so much money, and you can find this recipe on YouTube or Pinterest. So first things first, you're gonna need an empty spray bottle. Mine still has a little bit of Febreze from the last time I made. I got my spray bottle from Dollar Tree, and then you get some rubbing alcohol, any type of alcohol, even witch hazel works. And then you get some unstoppables. I got some Downy unstoppables, and I mixed the blue and the pink ones together to make my house smell delicioso. You could also they also have like lavender ones, so you could use those too. You could use any unstoppables, to be honest. So what you do first is you add like a teaspoon or tablespoon, maybe like 2 teaspoons or 2 tablespoons of alcohol in there. That should be good. And then you get some unstoppables, and the unstoppables have, oh my god, I'm already finishing it. I need more. I have to go buy more at the store. Anyways, so in the little measuring cup, there's like 2 little lines. I always put it in the first little line. That should be enough unstoppables to put in your spray bottle. Unless you got a huge ass spray bottle, then put it up to the second line. But the first line should be good. I pendeja, you drop some. Anyways, then you get some really, 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 really hot water from the faucet, and that should help your unstoppables dissolve. Trust me, guys, this will make your house smell so delicioso, and it'll save you so much money. You can be making this like crazy I literally had those unstoppables for months, and it's barely finishing now. And then you spray it everywhere and make your house smell delicioso. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching.